Hey my beauties, welcome back to the channel, guys. Check it out, y'all. I'm smiling so hard. That's because I got a fun, fantabulous DIY for you ladies today, and it's going to be on some fur boots, but we're going to color them, watercolor it. We're going to watercolor the fur. Now this is the fur right here. I bought from Joann Fabric, and I have actually a little over, no, actually I have a half yard, and I paid $12 for it because it is actually I think it was like 40% off. So this is what it looks like. We talking about really nice, good fur, and it is gray because I couldn't find any other color. It was either white or gray. So I was like, you know what? I was going to do some gray boots. I was like, because I don't have them, but we're going to go ahead on and we're going to color that. What I'm going to color it with is the fabric dye from from Walmart, and they were $277, and it's a permanent solid coverage, works with natural fabrics and poly cotton. Now the colors I got was royal blue and I got a turquoise, so we're gonna color those boots this color. Now I also had got a black one, but this black one's going to be for another DIY that I'm well, probably not even a DIY, but another fur that I'm going to color black for my other boots because I want it to be really furry. So this is the dye that I'm using. In this dye, it tells you to use 4 tablespoons of salt. So I got this salt from Walmart. It was 40 cents. So I mean, it's 4 tablespoons. You only need salt in it, and it also tells you to use hot scalding water. And now I'm going to use these totes right here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to fill them with hot water. I'm going to put a turquoise in here and the royal blue in here. So today it's going to be fun, y'all, because I'm not doing no sewing. You guys have been asking me, Jay, I need to be able to, you know, I can't sew, and I need to be able to just put this fur on here. And I'm going to tell you, when I glued them down the first time, I had used Dollar Tree glue sticks. So I was like, you know what, it'll fall apart, which that it will fall apart if you're using cheap, really cheap ones. And then these right here, they actually are really white when you finish the product. I'm sorry, y'all. When you finish gluing it down, it dries white. So we don't want that. So what I did was got some mini size multi-temp glue sticks, and they are 24 in a pack, and I got these from Walmart for like $3 and some change. And these are really long, but I can cut them in half. It doesn't matter. So you're gonna need a glue gun. You're gonna need some glue sticks. And these, if you look, this is the Dollar Tree. This is the ones I got from Walmart. If you can look and see, the color is different. These are going to dry clear, and these are going to dry white. So I've used some, y'all, to see how it will work. And yes, they hold much better than these. So because y'all been asking me, your girl said, let's go ahead and get it done for you ladies. So also what you're going to need is you're going to need some wax paper. Now y'all know I already made a fabric for pattern for it. You're gonna need some wax paper, and this is what it looks like. I keep my pattern, and I had got this from another YouTuber, the pattern, and from where I had did the other boot tutorial. They black and brown, and I had went on it, Miss Britzlin or something. I will put her name down because she did an excellent job, and so many people have been copying her pattern and not giving her credit. So today, like the last tutorial, I gave you credit. But the boot that I used to do, guys, I used to tell you all to use the sleeve, which that if you add the pattern to it, it adds up to the same. But she found an easy way. So shout out to you. I will shout your channel. I will put her channel down below, guys, where you can check her out when she did the pattern. Okay, so the next thing we will need is a boot. Now, you guys have been asking me, where do you get the boots from? This boot came from FOREMAN Mills, and this boot was actually about $5. So I don't care the color. I don't really care because ain't nobody going to see all that. But I need to shut up. I just need to shut up because I'm excited about this, and I need to get into this video. But, of course, you know we're going to need some scissors. And if you want to use MZtiBstyln, you can. I have used MZtiBstyln when I went to do like a test strip, and it works really good, really strong. But it also worked really strong when I changed the glue sticks. So let's get into this tutorial. We're going to be doing a couple of things, and I'm super excited about it. So, oh, this hair, y'all, look at my hair. It's fabulous, y'all. Like these boots gonna be, yes. Anyway, stay tuned for the video. What you're gonna do is get your boot, and you're gonna tear off some wax paper. And you're just going to make your pattern right now. Right there. And it's to go all the way around to the sides. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn this, and I'm going to cut it. And then when you lay it down, this is what you have. All the way around. Okay, let's tuck it underneath the shoe. That way you can see. This is your pattern right here. What you're going to do is take your marker and you're just going to trace all the way at the bottom, down here. You see that? On the bottom. All the way around. And my marker is acting like it don't want to work, so let me find something else. So, you're going to take it and you're just going to trace it all the way around. It don't have to be perfect. All the way around, ladies. Then, you're going to go ahead and take this part and trace it over here. And then the same for that. You're just basically going around the boot all the way around. Then when you're done, you're going to remove that, and this is a pattern right here. And you're just going to go ahead on and just cut it. It don't have to be perfect. Not at all. Okay, now you have the bottom part. This is your bottom part right here. Of course, y'all, you would need more right there, though. You know what I'm saying? But it's fine because we're going to do the top part. So, what we're going to do is go ahead on and take another piece. And we're just going to go ahead on up the top. We need the top done. So we're going to go ahead on and trace the top. That's it. And just cut the top off right there. We don't have to do no tracing for this, basically. You know what I'm saying? Just put it just like this. And that's it. Okay. So, all you need is this right here. This is for this boot to cover the back. And then we have one to cover the front. Like so, my boos. Just like that. And that is your pattern. So I already have pieces that I done cut out already that I keep for my boots. So for my size of my boots. So I'm going to use these today. And that's all we need is just a pattern. What you're going to do is get your fur. Now. Yep, I want it down that way. So what you're going to do is just put your fur this way, right here, just on the edge. And if you want to, like pretty much, let's see, tape it down, trace it out, you can, but I'm not. So what you're going to do is that you're not even going to go through the fur. You're just going to go ahead and give it a little snip right there. as you can see, I bought a half of yard of fabric, and I have still enough left to make one more boot. So I'm gonna go ahead on and fill these with boiling hot water, and you're gonna need some gloves for this, and you're gonna need the coloring that you're gonna use, the fabric dye for them, and you're gonna also need some salt, and you're gonna need, actually, where is it? You're gonna need a tablespoon. If you don't have a tablespoon, you have a half a tablespoon, use a half a tablespoon, but you know you're gonna have to add it up to 4 tablespoons. Color looks like. So the next step, we're going to go ahead on and to put this fur on this boot. Do you see that? That's going to be so cute. So cute. is so super cute. So super easy, guys. So I'm hoping that these glue sticks really work for me this time. I'm hoping that I don't have a problem with this, you know, with the glue sticks. So, because the other glue sticks I had used was from the Dollar Tree, and hopefully these ones that I have is more stronger. And I already did a strand test, like I said, and they were stronger. So and I tried to pull it apart. So hopefully it will work. And I will link down my girls. Well, actually, I'm not even going to link it. I'm going to put just her name. I'm going to put the whole video. That way you can go check it out. And let her know that J Baby sent you over there if you go check her out. But I thought that it was really nice that she contacted me and let me know, look, Jay, I really like this tutorial, but here's a pattern that I found was easier for me. So I thought that was really good. I went and checked her page out and I saw that it was good. Now you have a lot of people out here that say that they came out with these boots. You already know I came out with the boots. You already know it. I came out with the whole full pattern for the boot. But she broke it, the pattern down where it would make it more easier. So I thought that was really brilliant. So I went on and did that. But you had some people who came to my YouTube page and was like, you need to give me credit for my pattern, for my boot. I'm like, girl, check the dates, y'all. Check the dates. Everybody know that J Baby came out with these boots, and everybody, you know. I mean, if you want to copy, you can copy, but ain't nothing wrong with tagging me. If you don't want to tag me, then that's fine too. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and pretend that it's yours. You know what I'm saying? But check the dates, y'all. The dates is like three years ago when I put these out. So you got people who say they just came out with these boots, and it's been like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, a year. How you do that? J Baby, y'all already know what the deal is. I'll link everything that you need to know there in the description bar, and just stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna try these on for you, okay? Be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah. Yes.